Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forrest Frank on piano. First, let's prepare. Find a comfortable seat at your piano or keyboard. Ensure your posture is good, with your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Place your hands gently on the keys, ready to begin. We will start by understanding the song structure and identifying the main musical elements. Now let's concentrate on your right hand. This hand will typically play the main melody. Break the melody into small, manageable sections, perhaps 2 to 4 measures at a time. Practice each section slowly, ensuring every note is clear and even. Gradually increase your speed as you gain confidence, aiming for a smooth and expressive sound. Next, we'll introduce your left hand, which provides the harmonic foundation with chords. Identify the specific chords used in the song and practice their voicings. Ensure your left hand maintains a steady, even rhythm. Focus on a consistent volume, allowing the chords to support the melody without overpowering it. Practice these chords independently before combining them. Finally, it's time to bring both hands together. Start very slowly, focusing on the coordination between your melody and chords. Use a metronome to help maintain a steady tempo. Gradually increase the speed as you become more comfortable. Consistent practice, even for just 15 minutes each day, will significantly improve your playing and help you master the piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.